Hello there! Welcome to Linkistar. My name is Teacher Abby. What's your name? Wow, you have a nice name, Austin. Nice to meet you. Okay, so how are you today? Are you happy or are you sad? Oh wow, that's great. You are happy like teacher. So now are you ready for our lesson? Okay, so listen to me and eyes on me. Okay? Alright, so the title of our lesson is Can All Birds Fly? Can you say it again? Can all birds fly? Okay, good job. You are a good reader, Austin. So, here is your reward. You got a cutie snake. Shh. Okay, so what can you see in the picture? Oh, I can see birds. Okay, so what kind of bird is this? Okay. What's the name of that bird? Hmm. Okay, very good. It's a penguin. Okay, so penguin is a bird. All right. How about this one? What's that? It's a magpie. Wow, you are so smart. And because you are so smart, Austin, here is the dinosaur. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Okay, great job, Austin. Now let's continue to the next page. Okay? Alright, so let's go to the next page. Oh, wow! There are lots of animals in the picture. Okay, so what animals do you like? Oh, you like elephant. Wow. So this is elephant. Okay, so elephant is the biggest animal in the world. Okay. How about the others? What's the name of this animal? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Oh, very good. It's a monkey. Do you like monkeys? Yeah, me too. Okay. How about this one? What animal is this? Rawr. Rawr. Okay, it's a tiger. Wow. Okay, how about this animal? It's a giraffe! Wow, you are so smart, Austin. And because you are so smart, I'll give you a try. Hmm. You like it? Oh, I have an orange there. Oh, look at that. I have many toys here. Okay, so now it's a giraffe. Giraffe has the longest neck. Okay. Next, how about this one? What is this? Woof, 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 woof. Okay, it's a dog. Good job. Okay, how about this one? Meow, meow. Oh, what's that? What animal is that? Okay, it's a cat. All right. Okay, so what's this? How about this? Yes, it's a magpie. Okay, so now you know all those animals. Now let's continue to the next page. Okay, Austin, you are so smart. So let's go. Oh, what is this? What bird is this? Okay, very good. Say a magpie. Can you say it again? A magpie. Very good. Again, a magpie. Good job. And because you are a good reader, here is another dinosaur for you. Rawr. Okay, so let's continue to the next page, Austin. Okay. Oh, what is this again? It's a magpie. Okay, say, this is a magpie. Can you say it again? This is a magpie. Okay, say it again. This is a magpie. Very good. You're a good reader, and because of that, I'll give you flowers. Again, what bird is this? Okay, so this is a magpie. All right, good job. Now let's continue to the next page. Okay, so look at the picture. How many magpies are there? Okay, very good. So there are two magpies. Okay, say it again. Say two magpies. Say it again. Two magpies. Very good. Now let's count the magpies. One, two. Okay, how many magpies are there? There are two magpies. Very good. Okay, now let's continue to the next page. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at the picture. How many magpies are there? Very good. One, two, three, four. There are four magpies. Okay. Say, magpies are birds. Can you say it again? Magpies are birds. Okay, very good, Austin. Now let's count the magpies. One, two, three, four. There are four magpies in the picture. Great job, Austin. And because you are so smart, I'll give you two snakes. Oh. Do you like this one? I got green and pink. Great job, Austin. Now let's continue to the next page, okay? Now let's continue. Oh, wow. Now you are going to click and say, okay, you're going to click and find all the magpies. Okay. All right. So there you go. Click all the magpies. Wow. Great job. It's a magpie. Magpie. Say it. Magpie. 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 And the magpie. Very good. You got all the magpies in the picture. Now let's count the magpies. One, two, three, four, five, six. Alright, how many magpies are there? There are six magpies. Good job. And because of that, I'll give you a toy car again. Broom. Broom. Good job, us. And now let's continue to the next page. Okay. So now look and say. Alright. Okay. Say magpies are birds. And you say it again. Magpies are birds. Okay, very good. Next, magpies can fly. Say it again. Magpies can fly. Great job. You are a good reader. And here is your bulldozer. Oh, wow. It's beautiful. Vroom, vroom. Now let's continue. Oh, look and say. Okay. What bird is it? What bird is it? Is it a bird? Is it a bird? Yeah. So what bird is it, Austin? Oh, you're correct. It's a penguin. Say a penguin. Can you say it again? A penguin. Very good. So this is a penguin. Penguin is a bird. Okay, Austin. Now let's continue to the next page, Austin. You're doing great. Oh, what's this again? Okay, very good. Say this is a penguin. Can you say it again? This is a penguin. Good job. This is a penguin. Say it again. This is a penguin. Very good. Penguin. All right, now let's continue. Oh, wow. How many penguins are there in the picture? Mm. Very good. There are two penguins. All right. So say two penguins. Can you say it again? Two penguins. Very good. And because you are so smart again, I'll give you a dinosaur. Roar, roar. Okay, now let's continue. Oh, wow. How many penguins are in the picture? Okay, let's count together. All right. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, there are 12. Okay, so now can you say penguins are birds? Can you say it again? Penguins are birds. Okay, great job. All right, so because you are so smart and a good reader, here is a car for you, Austin. Brum, brum, brum. All right, now let's continue. Okay, so now you are going to drag and say, okay? Drag and say. You're going to find the correct penguin's wing. Okay, Austin, are you ready? Alright, so now let's find the correct wing of the penguin. Alright, which one? You circle it and drag it. Okay. Oh, you can try another one. Alright, so this is the. Okay, you're correct. So you drag it. Put it in the penguin. Alright, good job, Austin. You are correct. And because you are so smart, here is the ball. Ball for you, Austin. Ball. Alright, now let's continue to the next page. Okay. So now look and say. Okay, say penguins are birds. Can you say it again? Penguins are birds. Alright, very good. Next, penguins cannot fly. Can you say it again? Penguins cannot fly. Okay, Austin. Okay, very good. Next, let's go to the next page. Okay, so let's have a wrap up of our lesson. So for today's lesson, you learned about birds. Okay, so you learned about birds. Can you say it again? Birds. Okay. Magpies and penguins. Okay, say magpies. Penguins. Okay, say magpies can fly. Magpies can fly. Very good. Next, penguins cannot fly. Penguins. Alright, very good. You are so smart, Austin. Okay, so now you're going to click and answer. Okay, one, two, good job. Three, four. Okay. So you're going to answer the question in a complete sentence. Okay, Austin? Alright. Okay, okay. So there you go. So great job, Austin. So great job. You answered all correctly. Alright, so here are your toys. Okay, here are your rewards. You get three toys. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, so yeah, you're so now you're going to click and answer. Can penguins fly? Alright, very good. Penguins can fly. Alright. Next, Are magpies bird? Yes, magpies are birds. Okay. Next. All right, so let's have a wrap up of what you have learned in our lesson. Okay, so we'll learn about birds. Okay, can you say it again? Birds. All right, very good. Say birds. Good job. Magpies can fly. Say it again. Magpies can fly. Penguins cannot fly. Can you say it again? Penguins cannot fly. Okay. So again, what's the name of this bird? Magpie. Very good. How about this one? Penguin. Okay. Can magpie fly? Yes, magpie can fly. How about penguins? Okay, penguins cannot fly. Okay, so do you know other birds that cannot fly? Yeah, very good. Peacock cannot fly. All right. So now that's the end of our lesson. You did great, Austin, and because you are so smart, here are your flowers. Okay, so keep it up, Austin. Just keep on reviewing our lesson, keep on reading books, keep on practicing speaking English, and soon you'll be a great speaker in English. All right. So that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye. See you again next time. Bye bye.